Let's connect. Welcome, like every 2 weeks, to the Castro Realty Group with Nebraska Realty podcast. We are here at the Nebraska Realty headquarters in West Omaha, and we, Castro Realty Group, we can serve you we can help you with the real estate needs in anywhere in Nebraska and Iowa. Today, we have a friend of the team, a friend of the community. That's Melina Arroyo with Veridian Credit Union. Welcome, Melina.
Welcome, Ricardo. Thank you for having me.
Thank
Welcome, everybody.
you. Melina, quickly, what's your position at Veridian Credit Union and how many years you've been doing this?
Okay, so I am a mortgage loan originator with Veridian Credit Union. I've been with Veridian for 7 years. But doing loans related to homes, right? Mortgage loans, 2013, 2014. But in other aspects on the banking industry since 1996.
It's been in the industry since she was 6 years old. And Melina is representing Veridian Credit Union. As the name said, it's a credit union. Quickly, what's the difference between a bank with a credit union?
So credit union, we are a non-profit credit union. So our members are the ones that put the rules, right? You choose a board to represent their votes. So our members own the credit union. Because of their deposits and because of their opinions, that's how we manage what the rates are going to be, what products to offer, and how we can serve better the community. When you go to a bank, you have no say. It is what it is.
That's the main difference.
You just put your money there and you make somebody else rich. With a credit union, you get some sort of benefits, right?
And you're a member, actually.
You're a member of the credit union. Yeah.
What I like about Melina specifically is that she already has experience in different institutions, so she knows what each of them offers and what this credit union offers, which is Veridian. Veridian offers a new construction loan as well. Could you explain us a little bit about that?
So new construction is basically a normal conventional loan or a loan that you would need to buy a house. A new construction is when you go to a builder area and they have these model homes. You say, I'm interested in buying this house, and they give you some choices to pick, and then they give you a final price. And you need a pre-approval letter so they can move forward with your request. They build the house for you, and when they're done, you purchase it from the builder.
So new construction is usually understood like
it's a normal purchase home.
Those subdivisions that they build all together and brand new subdivision, people can get the mortgage loan from you.
Yeah, and we have very good rates in Iowa and Nebraska. And all the states touching Iowa and Nebraska. Iowa,
man.
Yep.
Great. So the people who are hearing or listening here from the Council Bluffs, Sioux City, or
yep, I can help them.
Towns around, Melina Arroyo, Veridian Credit Union. And you also do construction loans.
And then construction loans, right? That's another beast. So construction loans is when you either own the lot or you're going to buy a lot and you're going to get your architect, you're going to get some drawings, you're going to different contractors to do all these different things to build your dream house to your specifications. And so that is a construction loan.
So let's say I own a loan already and I want to build a property, residential in this case.
Yep.
And I apply with you guys. Is that usually a 20% down loan?
So yes, most of the time I request a 20% down. There are some exceptions where we can do 10% down, but we have to find the right PMI company. I think Arch is one of the ones that accept those from us. But you have to be very solid. Okay, for construction loans, your minimum FICO score is 700. And you also have to show that you have reserves in case the project amount at the end of the day is a little bit more than what you expected. So we're going to be very big on showing assets, right? Making sure that you have those assets in case something happens, like the pandemic. When the materials went up, a lot of people couldn't finish their constructions. They had to sell them because they didn't have those reserves to pocket those difference in like wood or whatever it was. The inflation at that point on these materials was so high that a lot of people couldn't finish their constructions. Okay. That's the reason why you have to show that you have some reserves. But yes, you can either own the lot, and we will use the value of that lot towards your 20% down, towards the
really?
equity,
Okay.
yes. And you just come with the difference if there's a difference.
That's excellent. So you don't have to have the 3%
Sometimes
cash somewhere.
sometimes the lot is worth 85,000 and you don't have to come with anything down. So,
Outstanding.
yeah. But if you're going to buy the lot, then you have to come with 20% down.
20% down. Good to know. We at Castro Realty Group, we have 4 lots for sale, land, pieces of lots for sale. So feel free to reach out to us and build your new dream home. You were talking about a word that usually not many people know, what you call reserves. What is a reserve? How the public should understand a reserve in this specific case?
So reserves, well, it's basically money that you've put together, you're saving for any emergencies. Liquid, it's liquid access, it's quick access, right? Your retirement account, 401k, IRAs, stocks, annuities, life insurance cash value, all that is reserves. You're not using it right now. We're not asking you to use it. You have to show us that in case of an emergency, if the cost of the build is higher than you anticipated because you decided to go with the fancier countertop or the fancier marble or whatever it was, whatever change you did to those original plans, you can afford the change and that cost. Because we already finished the loan, right?
Exactly.
So you have to have cash to pay for that difference.
Yeah, outstanding. It's basically what many people, we are realtors for many years, and we even didn't know this. So for us, reserve, I was thinking savings. So it's not that. Actually, I can have my IRA, my case,
everything.
or my 401k money that I can show that there's a proof here that this is available, but I'm not going to take money out of it. I'm just showing it to you guys.
Correct.
Excellent. Stocks and everything else.
Stocks, annuities, yep. All
Great.
of that. Bonds.
Great. Any other program that you have that you think is unique from you guys?
We also have the rehab programs. So that's different, right? So I am in the market for a house to downsize. And I found this house that had great potential, but it needs to be updated. And I want to update the paint, the cabinets, the floor, the windows. So that's a rehab loan. I do have to come with at least 5% down. I do have a PMI company that takes the other 15 and kind of let us do that. But you also have to show some sort of research, a little bit, like 5%, but you're not going to use it, honestly. We're going to ask you for bids on all these things, and we can go up to 133% of the purchase price on that rehab.
Because of the rehab.
Because of the rehab.
Because basically what they are taking into consideration is that house you're going to buy with X amount of money, but after the repairs and rehabilitation,
yes,
the house is going to be 33% more per house.
Exactly, right?
Nice.
And so you have to bring, the bids of everything. Now, let's say, for example, the same exact example with the same house, but I need to do the bathrooms, I need to do the kitchen, the floor, the roof, the siding. I need to do many things. I need to do a deck. For that, at that point, if you draw more than 6 draws to pay the contractors, then that's converting into a construction loan.
More than 6
draws.
Okay.
So let's say, for example, if the person that does my kitchen can also do my bathroom, then that's 1 draw. But they cannot do my floor. So the flooring is another one, that's 2. The person that can do my roof, can do my siding, that's 3. But they cannot do my deck. So that's another one. So you have to, yes. So as 6 is the maximum for a rehab.
Okay.
Let's say some people that get rehab loans, they have a well or something like that, right? And so that's more money for different things. Then that's converted automatically to a construction loan.
Okay.
It's the amount of draws that you take.
Excellent. So is that the word rehab, many people understand it as for people flipping houses or for business people. This is actually for a family.
This is for a family. Like, if I was going to downsize and I want to buy a house with I like houses with big yards. most probably I'm going to find one with a big yard, but it might not be updated. So I want to update the house. That's a rehab. Now, let's say I'm an investor and I want to flip a house and I do to do a rehab. But those, I'll take those on a case by case basis.
Okay.
It has to be a very solid applicant. It has to go to the underwriting supervisor. He will look at the whole picture and he will have the last word.
Excellent, excellent. We are learning a lot today in this short conversation about what a unique credit union can offer the public. And you said this is not only for Omaha.
No, I do this in Omaha, in Iowa, Nebraska, and the states touching Iowa.
These programs, are they tailoring the regular family, or we are thinking also that could be available for self-employed people?
Yes, correct. This is for everybody. Except like if you're trying to do this as your business, under your business, this is going to be a business transaction, then you have to go to commercial services.
Okay, commercial. Okay, all right, excellent. I would advise to make an appointment with Melina. Melina can explain you at no cost the different aspects about all the programs that Veridian Credit Union has for you, which are not only the three that we mentioned today. We have many more, or they have many more.
Yes.
So, Melina, where can people find you?
Well, you can find me at my location-wise. I have two branches, one on West Maple, 150 in West Maple in Omaha, and one on 2040 West Broadway in Council Bluffs at the Veridian over there. So just cross the bridge right down there. And you can send me a text message with your name. Please identify yourself because I can't. There's too many people and they don't have their names. Write your name, Melina, this is so-and-so. I have questions regarding this. Please call me when you get a minute. And that will be my cell phone, 402-214-0008. Or you can send me an email at Melina, MELINAAR at veridiancu.org.
Don't be shy. Shoot a text message, send an email, or call her. Make an appointment and do a plan with her. First, she's not going to charge you to sit down and listen to your needs and then guide you through the process. Secondly, you don't have to buy if you are not ready to buy. Maybe Melina can pre-approve you on the spot, but then you say, I'm going to wait. I actually prefer to save more money. Yeah. It's your call. Neither Melina or us, the realtors, can make you buy a house unless you don't want to buy a house.
Correct.
Anything else to show our people?
No, just visit us, give me a call, comment, and visit us on the second Tuesday of every month. I'm at Castro Realty Group. They're from 2 to 7. And the last Saturday of every month, I'm at Castro Realty Group again, from 12 to 4. So if you cannot meet with me Monday to Friday, 9 to 5, there's a Tuesday that I'll be at his, the second Tuesday I'll be until 7 at his office, or the last Saturday from 12 to 4.
Excellent, excellent. Thank you very much, Melina, like always, for being here for us and for the community. There's a lot that you can share, not only about what the Veridian offers, is your own experience. She's one of us who can talk to you in our same lingo, the same language that we are used to. You don't have to be a pro in lending in order to understand what she's trying to convey here.
Yes, thank you for having me here, and I wish to talk to you all soon.
Thank you. Check us out at all the social media channels and forums, Castro Realty Group. You can find us that way. Our website, crghouses.com, or our main phone number in the office, 402-319-0093. We can represent you building your new house, buying a new construction, flipping properties, or buying a home for your own family, anywhere in Nebraska and Iowa. Thank you, and see you in 2 weeks now.